Hello everybody, welcome to SoniaChic95 DIY's Natural Hair channel. On this channel, I share DIY's product for natural hair care and also natural hair tips. So today I am going to be sharing a DIY whipped cream for natural hair growth. Alright, let's dive right into the video. My first ingredient is white African shea butter, and I am going to melt down the shea butter. After it's melt, I'm going to add in my beetroot powder. Yes, I'm going to add in like 3-4 spoons of beetroot powder and mix it. You can add in any amount you desire or you want into your shea butter. And I am also adding in 2 tablespoons of organic maca root powder plus turmeric, ginger, and black pepper mix tea powder. Mix all of the ingredients together. I'm going to put each and every one of the ingredients that I use in this DIY in the description below of this video. Make sure to check it out. And after that, I'm going to let it sit for like 2 to 3 minutes before straining it. Then I'm going to set it in the refrigerator and let it get a little tacky. I would recommend that you leave it in the refrigerator about 2 to 3 minutes. But now on it shouldn't get too hard. So I am going to put my shea butter mixture into the KitchenAid blender and add in 95% Curl Aloe Vera smoothing gel. Then I add in drops of tea tree oil. Then I am going to add in 1 tablespoon of avocado oil plus 1 tablespoon of jojoba oil plus 5 tablespoons of coconut oil. And guys, I am going to blend it. Blend well. Yes guys, so this is the product. This is how it look like, and I'm going to show you how I apply on my hair after I am done putting it into this jar. This is it. It's the next day after I was done washing my hair. I am just applying it all through my hair. You can apply this product on your scalp. It's very lightweight. You don't have to worry about buildup. And guys, I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.